It's rain. Jeez, is it raining? Wow. Little guy passed out in the back seat. Has no idea how hard it's actually raining outside right now. It is pouring cats and dogs. All we gotta do is make it to that building way over there. But we're kind of trapped in the car right now. There's no getting out in this rain. It is pouring. I mean, we're not actually trapped, but, you know, the little guy sleeping back here, it sucked to get woken up being dragged out in a thunderstorm. So his dad's trying to wait out the worst of it. Let it slow down a little bit so we can get the hell out of the car and in the house. Is it letting up? I think it's letting up a little bit, so we're gonna get in the house.